Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel, and we have a setting that can impact some users. Somebody asked me as a question if the search indexing of files of Windows can impact performance on a PC. And yes, it can, but it can if mostly on older machines. If you have a modern machine with a solid state drive, in general, it won't impact much of the performance. But if you do have an older PC and you have a PC that has a slower hard drive, mechanical hard drive or magnetic hard drive, now the impact could be bigger. And I would recommend in that case that you just use the minimal form of search of the indexing of files within Windows, because it's going to take a toll on your hard drive and the performance of your PC in general. So an example of that and where you can play with that in Windows 11 is in the settings. And if you go into the privacy and security tab, you will have searching Windows. And at the top you have classic and enhanced, and that's where it all plays out. So when your search indexing is in enhanced, it will be pretty much looking at every file on your computer. The good side of this is that it might be good for searching areas of your hard drive where there's files that you might want to search for that will not be in the classic search. The classic search just focuses on documents, pictures, music, and desktop. So and you have customized folders that you can also add. But the thing is, this is what is going to be probably the difference, and the fact that more files you want to index, more of the hard drive will be taken, especially when you do big changes. Say you install new software, you have Windows updates. And particularly at the start, if you install a new fresh copy of Windows, the search indexing enhanced will be taking a toll. Often I see people telling me when I just reinstall Windows and it seems slow. And it's because for the first hours or even the first few days, it's possible that your search, the indexing of your drive is slowing down everything. So that's why on older machines, I would tell everyone, use a classic search. And if you have an SSD or a solid state drive, a modern PC, enhanced will be fine for the most part. But really on older machines, the classic is the one to use. And anyways, if you're not a big power user, classic does do everything you want. It'll search through the standard folders that you'll get basically in the standard folders everybody uses: documents, pictures, and so on. So there could be a difference in performance with that, but once again, it depends on how old your PC is. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.